If you've lost access to your Actors Access account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Actors Access website. Go to the official Actors Access website using a web browser. Look for the login section on the homepage to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. In the login area, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the account recovery options available. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Actors Access account. Make sure to use the correct email to ensure you receive the recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Open the email and follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Actors Access customer support for further assistance.